In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok application. Whether you're a first-time user or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you navigate the essential features of Grok so you can get the most out of your experience with this intuitive tool. First things first, you'll want to open Grok in your preferred web browser. This is the starting point for everything you will be doing, so make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is up to date to ensure a seamless experience. Once you have Grok opened in your browser, locate the chat box on the interface. Clicking this will allow you to enter your prompts and start interacting with the application. Now, it's important to craft a clear and concise prompt. The more specific and direct you are, the more accurate and relevant Grok's responses will be. Whether you're seeking information, advice, or some creative inspiration, being clear with your prompts will enhance the interaction significantly. For those who prefer speaking over typing, Grok has got that covered too. Simply click the microphone icon. When prompted, be sure to grant microphone permission. This step is essential if you wish to give verbal commands or input, as it allows the application to access your device's microphone. Once you've provided permission, you can start speaking your prompts directly into the application. After you've typed or spoken your prompt, press the Enter key to submit it. Grok will then process your request and provide a reply. The speed and accuracy of the response are among Grok's standout features, making it an effective tool for quick, on-the-fly answers. In cases where you require deeper reasoning and more comprehensive answers, you'll want to take advantage of Grok's Think mode. This feature enables the application to delve deeper into topics, providing more thorough and reasoned responses. Switching to Think mode allows you to gain a more nuanced understanding, which is particularly useful for complex queries or when you need detailed explanations. As you continue to use Grok, you'll discover the ease with which follow-up questions can be integrated naturally into your interactions. This fluidity makes the experience feel more like a conversation. Don't hesitate to ask further questions based on Grok's responses to dig deeper or clarify anything you might not fully understand. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to mastering the Grok application. Remember that practice makes perfect. As you become more familiar with how Grok works, you'll find yourself navigating its features with increasing confidence and ease. Enjoy your journey with Grok and make the most of all the intelligent interactions it offers.